In a press release Friday, Starbucks announced a joint venture with Microsoft and Intercontinental Exchange named Bakkt. It will be the first cryptocurrency exchange fully regulated by Wall Street. It will oversee the conversion and trading of digital assets like Bitcoin into US dollars and other fiat currencies. Intercontinental Exchange CEO Jeff Sprecher claims Bitcoin has the potential to become the first worldwide currency. As you may recall, Jeff was interviewed by Bloomberg earlier this year and had this to say.
Cryptocurrency futures contract on one of your exchanges. When will we see it?
There is a trend here that we can't ignore, in my mind. I wouldn't rule out anything around currency.
All right.
With claims like this, it should come as no surprise that a Wall Street mogul like Jeff would expand into the cryptocurrency space. The goal is to clear the way for major money managers to offer Bitcoin mutual funds, pension funds, and ETFs as highly regulated mainstream investments. This is huge, but there are always many things to consider. So here are a few of the pros and cons. Pros: if Bakkt ends up meeting SEC requirements, this will allow large institutional investors the ability to buy into the cryptocurrency market. This would mean retirement and pension funds could be reinvested into crypto. Major corporations will be able to invest capital with no underwriters, trustees, custodians, or central securities depositories. Stronger investment networks built on blockchain will remove the possibilities of hacking and exploitation. Now, it's pretty much impossible for Wall Street or anyone to take control of Bitcoin or large blockchain networks, but there's one side effect to be aware of. Wall Street could potentially financialize cryptocurrency via leveraged futures. This would be the beginning of Wall Street creating financial claims on cryptocurrencies, essentially out of thin air. These claims would not be backed by actual coins, which would offset the algorithmic enforced scarcity of each coin, thus creating volatility across the crypto markets. Now, this all sounds very confusing, but I think Brian Kelly of CNBC said it best. It paves the way for a Bitcoin ETF or a Bitcoin exchange traded fund. This is just one of many announcements this year, bringing blockchain solutions to the forefront of the mainstream public. When large international companies like Starbucks, Amazon, and IBM start to make moves like this, it's usually an indicator of change in the marketplace, launching crypto from early adopter stage and pushing towards early majority stage.